Hey guys, welcome back to Old Pecan Homestead. This is Shayla here. And if you're new to our channel, we want to welcome you. We are all about farming. We do a little bit of hunting and fishing. We do a lot of fabrication videos, and sometimes we get a little bit into the politics. Just bringing you truth and knowledge of what we know. So today we're going to be getting ready for this winter storm that's coming in tomorrow. And just making sure all the animals have extra hay and bedding and then extra feed and that they have fresh water today. Tomorrow we're probably going to have to be breaking ice, and so we're going to take you along and show you what that looks like. And of course it's once again windy today, so I'm going to try my best to keep you guys out of the wind. Bear with me here. Oklahoma is always windy. That really prevents us from doing a lot of our videos just because we know that background noise is pretty annoying. But bear with me today, and I'll try to get some sound to cover that wind up. Hey guys! What do you think? I'm gonna feed you or something? If you guys have goats, or you're thinking about getting goats, just know that it's always a race to get past them if you have feed. That goes for the llama and the pigs too, but I feel like maybe because we have mostly goats that they're especially the worst. Here they come. Usually if we don't throw, hi puppies, feed on the ground, they're right up our butts. Hey guys, look at you. What's my puppies doing? Hey pups. Good to see you. Look at them getting out. So much for that panel. It does keep the goats out though, which was the main priority. Here's these stinky pigs. Levi, we're gonna get their feeder filled up. I actually have to go to town and go get more feed.
Bacon looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, they're growing, huh? Look at that chicken. He's brave, isn't he? Such a mess in there. It's going to be so much worse this week. It's supposed to be snowing, so it's going to get pretty nasty. I'm going to go over here and feed these billies and our nanny over there and get them some cubes. You guys are making this so difficult. Sorry, you guys got free food. They're stuck in a pen. I'll get you some food in a minute. We're not big on feeding grains except in the winter, and when they're pregnant they do get a couple scoops. These guys over here obviously get scoops because they're kept in a pen. They have their big hay feeder right here, and we keep that full daily with fresh hay. But being that they're stuck in there, they have a mineral tub, which we're actually going to switch over into just loose minerals. And then, so they're in there and they get extra cubes. These guys get cubes all the time. Every time we come outside, we go to the gate, they're always there. They always get a little bit of cubes. But we mostly want them on pasture. All right, let's get over here. Look at all these puppies. And get some hay so we can fill up give everybody some extra bedding.
be really easy to like train.
Probably.
Yeah, I just clapped it. It came to me and then he sat down. Yellow. You. Yeah, look. All you gotta do is clap it. It'll come to you.
All right, we got some fresh bedding down for them to lay in tonight. It'll be warm. That I know there's a gap right there, which we still need to fill, but the north and south winds are blocked, or walls are blocked, so they won't have the wind on them. It's actually several degrees warmer just being under that lean-to, and they'll all be piled in here together, so all that body warmth, it'll keep them plenty warm. That right there, that bower, is actually our newest nanny. So we got her the other night, and then we went and picked up 2 more. So this one, and then another one I'll show you in a minute. We have got her left in our trailer. She's being quarantined because she had a little bit of pink eye. She's had 2 rounds of antibiotics. She'll be on her 3rd today. We've been getting Neosporin, and then I'll probably get a tarp tonight and drape that over the top. And then she has hay in there now, but we'll give her some fresh hay so she'll stay nice and warm. We just really don't want to let her out and get around our other goats to get pink eye. It can cause abortions, and so that is something that we do not want. We're 2 weeks away from the start of our kidding season, and so we don't want, you know, I do believe she is bred, and we've caught it early enough. It wasn't really bad, just slight discoloration, a little bit of pinkness, so I think she should be okay. Hopefully the antibiotics won't mess with her, but that just one of our goats had a loss than all of our goats, and so we're really trying to take extra precautions on that. But I will show you her in a little bit. That's our newest nanny. She is supposedly bred to a dappled billy, so hopefully we'll get 2 doelings out of her, because anything not bred to mammoth will not be registerable this year. But if we have does out of them, that would be great, because that'll add to it with our breed up program. What are you guys doing? Are you hungry? Yeah? Was that a yes? You're always hungry. You're the little piggy of the bunch. What do you want? Aren't you guys supposed to be doing something? Oh my goodness, you guys. He's so good with his puppies. Fisher, you're such a good daddy. You're such a good dad. I am 1 hose shy of being able to reach the puppy pen. Look at that, you guys. Already got ice from last night. So this is a thin piece and obviously broken, but tomorrow we'll be out here breaking all the ice. This is disgusting. Animals are so nasty. We can never keep the water clean, but we're gonna dump this out and get them some fresh water before this ice storm rolls in tomorrow. Maybe. bit cleaner. We'll get that filled up. I'm sure that nozzle is gonna freeze, but we don't have power out here to put a tank heater in, unfortunately. All right, that's one down. These guys in here have this big old tank battery, so which you've probably seen if you've been following us at all for a while. It's plenty warm in there. We're actually getting ready to, we're gonna be cleaning that out here in about, a week and a half or 2 weeks. We'll get it all cleaned up, raked out, add some lime in there, and then put fresh hay down and bedding, so that the kids will have somewhere to go in this cold weather. And then these guys will actually get moved to this side, because although we have the lean-to over there, this is much warmer for all the newborns, and we want to make sure that they stay as warm as possible. So they'll be getting moved shortly. We always save our baling wire from the square bales and tie them up on the fence, because you never know when you're going to need to mend a fence in a quick hurry. And these have come in use many times. Right over there on the back side of the pig hut, we've had to mend that a few times. The gates, these animals will push things open, and it's nice to have some wire on hand. So this tank is almost full. And then we just got to do that one over there, and then a couple up in the front, and make sure the dogs are good. Before you guys comment, I know somebody's gonna go and tell me about the salt bottle tricks. I do know about them. I have tried them. I don't know if the type of salt matters, so you could tell me that. I don't know. I've tried it before, and it had okay success, but we might try to go grab some jugs and then fill them up with salt again. And try that again. I might have used the wrong salt. It didn't work super great, but you know, we'll see. So this is our newest goat, the other one I was talking about with the pink eye that's quarantined. She's just got to stay in here for 5 days. Her eyes look a lot better. They're a little oily looking from the Neosporin we've been putting in her eye, but she's pretty. All right, you guys, I got to take the boys to their homeschool group. We'll be back shortly. In the meantime, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you're not, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, made it back from the homeschool group. We had a good time. Kids learned some new things, and we are gonna finish doing chores. All right, I gotta get this tank filled up because I have a stock tank heater, and there's actually electricity right here by the dogs. that we did years ago. You can go back and watch that video. But I'm going to be able to plug that in here and keep this warm so all the animals can come over here and get a drink if the pond freezes over, which will probably still go bust ice, but there's that. So I'm going to leave that there and go take care of the chickens. They know it's feeding time. So I got the deep litter method going on in here. This litter is probably like, I don't know, some spots is probably up to 5 inches. Overall, probably 3 to 4 inches thick. So birds are not laying currently, but we're working on that. Got some feed right here fermenting. It is a mess in here and very dark. Let's get this open. There we go. Got feed fermenting right there. I'm gonna have to take it in because it's just too cold out here though. And then right now I'm just giving them a big light. Right now they're just getting a blend of black gold sunflower seeds, meat bird crumbles, player pellets, scratch grains, diatomaceous earth. Whoa, hang on, watch out. Ah, you better get out. These dang pigs are about to get on my last nerve. Get out. Go. You better get out. Go. They know better and they still try to sneak in over time. Alright. There we go. Nope. Stay out. Okay. Chickens are taken care of. The boys, I don't think we've mentioned, the boys all got rabbits. And so they've got a little bit of water, but we need to get them taken care of. We have a couple of quail over here. I filled their feed and water up yesterday, so they're good there. But then chickens are good, so. All right, guys, so one of the last things we gotta do today is get the cows fed. And then we'll bring you back tomorrow and check on all the animals. They're already waiting. All right, guys. Stay tuned, and tomorrow we'll be back to go check on all the animals and see the winter weather. So that storm that I thought we were going to get today did not happen. It did come in, and it's extremely cold today, but it didn't snow or ice yet. That's coming in 2 more days. So we can still run and quickly check on all the animals, though. The chickens are still good. Hey, chickies! Rabbit bottles are frozen. Looks like they're in their boxes hiding. Let's go check on the goats. Piglets are still good. Miss Tilly, she's good. Tilly. Sassy pants. Hey guys. Let's count all of you and make sure you're all here. 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Looks like all the goats are here and good. Look at this. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Puppies out doing their job. Who I found. Somebody snuck up to the yard. We've been trying to keep the pups kicked out out there in the pasture, but this one snuck up here. I guess since we're keeping him, that'll be all right. Hey guys. Hi pups. Where's the other 3 of you? Come on. I think the pigs are cold. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't step under my feet. Oh, they were all hiding in their hut. Hey, pigs. Yep, frozen. Not too bad. Alright, let's go check the goats. Ooh. Yep, puppy water's frozen too. There you guys are. Hi puppies. Goats. Everybody's healthy and alive. Had to come out from that wind. It is brutal. My hands are frozen. It is ice cold. So everybody's doing good. We'll do another video whenever that snow and ice rolls in next week. It's gonna be pretty rough, but we're thankful that it's been warm up to this point. So be on the lookout for the next video, and in the meantime, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't, go ahead and follow us on Facebook. We're also on Instagram and TikTok. So thank you guys for watching.